Qiy Qiy's Dollhouse Adventures. Good job, Bingo. Good job, Bingo. We love you, Bingo. Good job, Bingo. I love you. I'm bored. What do I do, Gaia? I don't know. Let's ask Dad to go get some ice cream. Okay. Dad.
Bands to make her dance. 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 Bands to make What? Hold on. Ooh. Yes, you guys.
I heard an ice cream truck.
You heard an ice cream truck?
Yeah.
I don't hear anything.
But I heard it. Yeah, I heard it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, but I really don't hear anything, you guys. I'm sorry. I don't
hear it. Yeah, I hear it.
I don't hear anything. I don't know.
I hear it.
So what do you want? What do you want? Like, I don't understand. But I don't hear anything, you guys.
But I see, but I hear it. Yeah, I hear it. That song. I hear that song. Yeah.
And you think there's an ice cream truck outside?
Yeah.
I mean, if it's right in front of the house, you can go look, but I don't hear anything, you guys. I don't know what you guys are hearing, so you can go check it out. Here's some money, and you can get some ice cream if there is ice cream, but I don't hear anything, so I think you guys are bugging, but it's okay. If I had headphones on, I was listening to music, and I probably didn't hear it. So you can go outside and see if there's ice cream out there, okay?
Okay.
Be careful, okay?
Okay.
All right. Hey, kids.
Hey.
Do you like my ice cream truck?
Yeah.
Would you like some ice cream?
Yeah.
I'm Miss Chip, and I parked here because I knew you guys lived here. What kind of ice cream would you like?
I like purple chocolate.
You like purple?
I like chocolate.
And you like chocolate?
I want chocolate and yellow.
You want two?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. Welcome to Miss Chip's Ice Cream Magical Ice Cream Truck, where only children can hear the music. Sit down and enjoy your ice cream.
Okay. It's delicious.
It's delicious? Is it the best ice cream you've ever tasted in your life?
Yeah. My stomach hurts.
Your stomach hurt?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. They fell out from my ice cream. Yes, my magical ice cream truck done it again. Yes, my magical ice cream truck done it again. 2 more kids. Ha 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 ha. I must put them inside my truck and take them with me to the castle. Oh no, I ran as fast as I could to get to the ice cream truck, but it's leaving now. Oh my goodness, is that Qiy Qiy and Qiy inside? I gotta tell their parents. Oh my gosh, somebody's kidnapping Qiy Qiy and Qiy. Stop! I see you, ice cream lady. I see you with my friends. Stop this truck immediately. Oh my God, Fleming family, I'm so sorry, but I had to come over and let you know that Qiy Qiy and Qiy got taken in an ice cream truck. What? I heard an ice cream truck and I ran to get some ice cream, but when I got there, it was pulling off and I saw Qiy Qiy and Qiy in the back and they looked like they were sleeping. I don't know what happened. So, an ice cream truck took my kids? Yes, and I don't know what happened. Are you sure, Hannah? I'm sure, Miss Fleming. I am not telling lies this time. I am sure. I got up there because I wanted some chocolate ice cream and I saw them take them away. Oh my God, we have to go get them. We have to find them. Yes, they went that way. Okay, we're on our way. We're on our way. We're coming with you. Ha, we are here. Fluffy, I got some treats for you, Fluffy. I got some delicious treats for you. Oh, Fluffy, I know you're hungry. I know you wanted something to eat for so long. Mama bought something special for you. Watch this. Delicious children. Oh, I had to do a lot to get these kids. Are you hungry? Are you hungry, Fluffy? Because Mama got you some treats. No! Okay, Fluffy, before you get your treats, we have to get you some ice cream from the magical ice cream truck. Okay? Okay, I'll be right back. Make him some dessert to go with his dinner. No, not this button. I don't want to trigger the... Oh, no. No! Ah! I hear the music again. I hear the music again. You do? You do? You do? You do? We don't hear anything. You don't hear that ice cream truck? Oh my goodness! It must be magical. Okay, follow me. Follow me, Fleming family. Follow me. Oh my goodness. I have to turn off the noise because kids will hear us. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I know. Kids probably heard us. Kids probably heard us. Oh no. We might have to go, Fluffy. We might have to go. We might get into the truck for... We see you. Give us our son and daughter. How dare you? How dare you bring a magical truck to knock out my children? Kiara and Qiy, are you okay? Are you okay, Kiara and Qiy?
Yeah.
Get the kids, babe. Oh my goodness. You stay here. We're calling the cops on you and your animal. Fluffy! Get them, Fluffy! Run! Run, Mom and Dad! Run, everybody! Oh my goodness. Can y'all believe that just happened? What was that? Was that a dinosaur? What? A magical ice cream truck? What the? Hannah, thank you so much for coming over here. You literally saved our children. Kids, say thank you to Hannah.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, that's okay. I'm so glad I was able to hear the ice cream truck song. Thank you for listening to me. Oh my goodness. Who? ever thought there would be magical ice cream trucks and dinosaurs in 2022. You saved this family, Hannah, and we are forever grateful. Yeah, we are forever grateful, little girl. Yeah, we are forever grateful, and we're so glad that you were able to hear that ice cream truck and that you were able to lead us to that lady. Oh, she was so mean. Kiara and Qiy, how do you feel?
Upset.
You upset?
Yeah, I'm upset to tell you something. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Who are you sorry to? Why?
To Mommy Hannah, because I shouldn't go with the ice cream truck.
Well, you didn't know. You didn't know it was a magical ice cream truck. Did she tell you it was a magical ice cream truck?
No.
Oh, you didn't
Who
know.
would prank me?
She pranked you?
Yeah.
And then you guys fell out?
And then I went to the castle.
And then there was a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Oh, my
Almost
goodness.
ate us.
Oh, my goodness. I'm so sorry that happened. Who ever knew that crazy things like that would be happening in 2022? It just sounds so medieval times. Okay, well, next time you hear ice cream truck, make sure we all hear it, okay?
Okay.
Because we don't want you guys to go through that again.
But Dad, I'm something to tell you something. You don't hear it because you listen to your headphones.
I know, but you should make sure everybody in the house hears the ice cream truck, okay?
And I say, Dad, and you don't listen. I want to go, Daddy, I can go outside.
Daddy said you could go outside to get ice cream.
Yeah.
I know.
But Dad didn't come.
I know, and that was our mistake. Next time, we're going to come with you to the ice cream truck, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you guys, I'm sorry. I would never let you go to the ice cream truck alone again, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, Hannah. You could come over anytime you want, okay? Okay, Mrs. Fleming. I'm glad Kiara and Qiy is okay. I really wish I had some ice cream, though. I got an idea.
What?
Let's go to the ice cream parlor.
Yeah. Yeah.
A real one.
Thank you for playing with Qiy Qiy Dollhouse Adventures. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.